side still little bit of snow you can see at the peak. And happy Valentine's Day in advance to all of you. Hello everybody, welcome to Mishtis Canvas. So this is a morning vlog. It's 9:15 now. Sleeping from that side. Samray, say good morning to everybody.
Good morning. Welcome to Mishtis Canvas. And
We are
subscribe.
going somewhere, I will tell you. Let me reach there. And so today's vlog will be something interesting. So stay tuned with me. See this side, still little bit of snow you can see at the peak. See where we have come. This is a family farm. So these are all strawberries and some spring onions or scallions are there, then other things are there. So they are selling these things, and this is the surroundings, how it looks. So let us go inside and see and check what we can buy. So these you grow all from the farm?
Yeah, these were all picked this morning.
This morning? Oh, so at what time do you start?
Usually like
6 o'clock? Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so.
Look at this
Yeah,
fresh
usually these ones are a lot more
strawberries.
sweeter than the other ones up there. I
Okay.
think just because they freshly picked them, and
Yeah,
the
yeah,
sun, the sun makes them a lot sweeter. So you could tell like the darker is more sweet.
These are more juicy and pulpy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Fresh oranges. Then that side, some these are scallions. I don't know, but see here we have fresh. These are all salad leaves are there, scallions are there. Wow. This side, come this side. See here is a pineapple. Pineapple is there. And then this is peanuts. Okay. So this is I think this one is cantaloupe. So you can switch in here, see? Big strawberry. So you can't pick now. It's like they have kept it here. So there is a strawberry they have grown like that. The Babu is searching what to yarn. Those scallions are good. Babu.
Yeah, I'm taking
Yeah,
one
you
from you and I took four.
How much is that? This one price? This price, the scallions price?
Two.
$2? Oh, okay. And what about these strawberries? This
12
one?
and 22.
12 and 22? Oh, okay. You can take this fresh coriander,
I took one.
cilantro if you
also
wish to.
another
Okay.
one.
I took one.
That's
What are
garlic.
these? These are turnips or no? These are what?
This is also garlic.
These are collard greens.
Do you want cabbage?
So this one is collard greens.
Okay, can I have a cabbage?
Lettuce is there. Cabbage. This is not a cabbage.
This is cabbage.
Those are good carrots.
I took one.
Oh, you took it? See the fresh carrots.
Can we buy this? What is this?
These are celery. Oh, I just love. See, morning only they have taken this out. This cabbage. Have you taken any cabbage or cauliflower? Have you taken any cauliflower or cabbage?
Yeah.
Cauliflower you have taken?
I have taken one cauliflower.
Wow, see, fresh cauliflower. Just look at this. The leaves are so fresh. You can see I'm holding it in my hand. It's very fresh. Look at this one. This is the water. You can see the droplets also. Wow. I just love. So it's worth coming here. The scallions are there. This is dill leaves. I guess this is dill leaves. I think so. I'm not sure. Bananas, fresh bananas, mangoes.
Not this one.
fresh mangoes are there. This is a sweet potatoes, green chilies. This is blueberries. These are cherries, dates. So peach. Babu, you want peach? Peach is very fresh. 75 cents. And this kiwi is also there.
Try.
See, here is red onion. You can go
I
for
took
this
one.
one.
I took
Wow.
four.
See, you got it.
I
You
took
even you can take that potato.
Yeah, we can take potatoes.
That's good.
Okay.
Oh, see, actually we were thinking where to go to some market to buy some vegetables. So suddenly one of my friend told me to come here. So thanks to her that she told me. And I'm excited. Lots of fresh vegetables early morning. He's excited. Samrik got his favorite fruit here.
You want kiwi?
Yeah. Take this kiwi.
Look,
Look
I
at this kiwi.
Kiwi?
It's so fresh, isn't it, Babu?
Yes.
Is this a custard fruit or cherry? Oh yeah. What is that?
Cherry, I don't know.
I think it's an avocado.
It's similar like the custard fruit or the sitapal. See? That we say. There's a purple yum. Peach is there. Samrik got a mangoes there.
We take one mango.
Okay.
This is picking cucumber. So early morning. This have you taken this
We took three.
yeah. So this is what Babu is shopping. We are doing. Babu, are you excited to shop
I'm
from here?
excited, yeah.
And all the farm fresh. She told me.
Ask them. You want this or?
That one is more fresh. That green chili. See? This is zucchini. Small zucchinis. Squash. Zucchini. Everything is there. Bell pepper. This is cactus. Samrak, come here. Samrak, come here. See, these are okay. So these are small green tomatoes. You can see. So I will share a recipe. I have some in my home. I will share that recipe with y'all. And green tomatoes or tomatillo are very good for health. You know, it's good for skin also. So if you wish to see more such vlogs, please stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel, that is Mishtis Canvas, and also follow me on Instagram, that is Mishtis Canvas official. See, these are white onions. Yeah, these are fresh avocados. Avocados did you take? So this is a little bit darker. Because it's almost it's ready to eat now, but these are more green. You can keep it for 1 or 2, 3 days more. There's fresh coconut here. This one I forgot the name, but one in Bengali we say shakalu. I don't know if this is that one. So if anyone knows the English name of this, please comment me in the comment section. Pineapple you want? You want pineapple?
How much for this oranges?
How much for this oranges?
This bag?
I think it's how many?
And this one, this pineapple?
And strawberries.
Somewhere come this side. Not that one, not that one. That is good. This one is good. Somewhere come this
And
side.
what about the small one?
Somewhere.
Oh, this is small one. Okay.
Pineapple. Those persons, they were very good.
Can we
So
see
I'm just
animals?
opening a mask a little bit. No, there is no animals. There is no ranch, Somrik, only the farm. So see at my back, these are all strawberry. Can you see? See, I will show y'all. For this side also, see some all the way strawberries and strawberries. So some scallions are here, so they even give me a contact number. So that is how I will show you everything. Okay. These are all scallions. See how they have covered it, and this way they do like this. And these are the previously I have also taken one strawberry family farm vlog, so I will give you the link. You can check it out there. But this is another one near to our house. See, these are very young strawberries. These are green. Come this side. Come. Be careful, Somrik. These are water. Okay. See, these are muddy, little bit muddy. So see how nice it looks. Morning, we can even go inside this also. So see, this is the strawberry flower. See, this is the strawberry flower, and this how. See, this is the flower from here. It's the raw one, and then the final. You see the size? Some black ants are there. See the size, it's very nice, juicy and pulpy. So the lady to whom I was talking, she was telling me that early morning they pluck all those things. So some people went inside also. That side some other fruit, other vegetables are there. Are you interested to see those vegetables?
Yes.
Are you happy to see here? See all those things. Okay, so here are some cans, soda cans. I have to go that side. That is the way. See, these are some pigeons, Samrak. They have also come to see.
Hello, pigeons.
Hello, pigeons. How are you all doing? Oh, see, these are broccoli. Samrak, see, these are broccoli.
There's some.
Wow. Yeah, these broccolis are quite fresh. I don't know what this one is.
Can I feed pigeons?
Oh no, you can't, because they already can find their food from here. Okay.
Wait.
See, come this
This
side.
is not in it.
See, this side. Wow, see how fresh. See, come this side. See how fresh. So Babu has joined us now. This one is kale. Looks like. This is kale. Yeah. It's wonderful. You can go all the way. So they are allowing. They just told us not to pluck anything, but you can have a tour. These are tomatoes. Where are those tomatoes? Oh, that's great. Okay. Babu, did you take cabbage or cauliflower or both?
Both.
Both? Great. I just love this place. It's very near to our house. What are these plants? I don't know. It looks like some wild plant, but I don't think so. This looks like some wild plant, isn't it? But this is not the wild one. But it looks like wild one, see? But see, they have long this row. No, not sunflower. Bamboo. This is not sunflower.
Quiet.
You can open your mask here. So I just love this place. It's actually, I love to see all these farms and these things. As I say you every time, like I'm like a nature lover. So, and also like I'm very fond of, because when I was young, I used to see my dad always doing this sort of like garden vegetables or kitchen vegetables, whatever you say. Like even I see my mom, so back in India in my mom's place, now she's growing in her patio or balcony some fresh strawberries, guava. So I have always seen from my childhood that my family, they love to do all those things. Like when we were small, so we used to have a banana plant in our home, then guava, and so you used to eat fresh guavas, and apart from that we also had fresh mangoes. So we had a very sweet memory as childhood. So really I sometimes think so my child doesn't get all those things, so that's why I brought him here, so that he can stay more connected with nature. And it's very important to stay connected with nature, to see these things, and this is actually life. So if you agree with me, please comment me. And as I say you every time, I love to see the comments. So see here, I will show you all this side. You can see how it looks. See those ripe tomatoes. So these are red tomatoes, these are green tomatoes. Oh, these are quite big in size. See this side? Quite big in size. Do you like this farm? I like it. It's very near to your house, and
Yeah.
I think Somrik is also enjoying it.
And the price is very good.
Price is good?
Yeah,
Oh,
price is
Babu's happy
good.
shopping here.
We
So
also
the
did.
person has given me a card. When I told him that I vlog, I do vlogging, he has given me this card.
Okay.
So Babu, I think now you got the address where you need to come to get the fresh vegetables. Because see, I was talking with that lady. She told me early morning they plucked all those things. So these are not like, they didn't keep it one day before.
Yeah, those are not frozen.
Yeah, these are not frozen. So I will try to upload this vlog today itself. So stay tuned and keep watching Mishtis Canvas. And for all these interesting vlogs, upcoming vlogs, more interesting things you will come to see. So for this, keep watching Mishtis Canvas. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then what are you waiting for? So please subscribe it quickly. So that's all for today. I will be winding up here, and this week is a new week, new motivation, new everything, and also Valentine's Day week. So spread happiness, spread love, spread positivity, and spread kindness. These are the things that we took from the family farm. Lots of things. So see, fresh cilantro, there's a fresh carrot. You can see there's a very young and fresh carrots. I feel like eating it raw, and I will eat it raw. This is the pineapple. See, big pineapple. And just look at the cauliflower. So today I'm gonna cook cauliflower and paneer curry with this. And this is a fresh cabbage. Let's see. These are the strawberries that we took. And see, we took lots of these things, and this cost only $40. So see, by $40 we took all these things. So it's damn cheap. See, this potatoes, red capsicum or bell pepper, onion, there's a peach. Actually today we took less. Next time if we go, we'll buy more. And these are Thai chilies, or even the Indians, we Indians also use these chilies. So these are all the things we took. So those are the things. So today we have not taken our breakfast. Our breakfast will be fresh strawberries, orange, and that's what we will eat today. And of course this peach. And Somrik is excited because he got this mango. He's a mango lover. Fresh flowers. There's a rose. So tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So Babu just gifted me this one. Seeing one young boy. So he was selling these things, and I took it for $10. So fresh flowers. So that is my gift for Valentine's Day. And happy Valentine's Day in advance to all of you. So we are ending this. I'm ending this vlog today here because it's already late, more than 10 a.m. and we have not taken the breakfast. So I'm sure you will love this vlog today. And like this family farm was very near to your home, so keep supporting the local farmers. That will really help your community and the county to grow. Thanks for watching. Thank you.